What's that I hear? Why, yes, it's rain. Let's go check it out. It is July 12th. And I believe it was 107 degrees today. And we had some ominous clouds amongst us this afternoon. And finally, it's raining. Bring it on. Ooh, it's getting harder rain here. Little bird feeder will be filled. Savannah, you like the rain? I know you love playing in that water, Savannah. Or at least I know you like it when we water the grass. Hopefully our cool art pieces there will be okay. Won't rust. We gotta take care of those soon. And just a quick update on my poor garden. Look at, apparently when your leaves do that, they're sunburned. The poor thing is trying to survive the heat. So I'm taking my tomato plant, now it's just the one, inside with indirect heat coming from this window. And all I'm gonna grow at the moment outside is aloe vera. All right, back outside. Ooh, it's raining now harder, nice. Little doggy baby pool. Get some water in this thing. They like to put their little feet in there sometimes. We don't leave them outside, but when they're out there with us. But yeah, my side yard, my poor little garden, I even tried like a fishnet to like have like a shade over my plants, but I just have an aloe vera and I'm just trying to grow sunflowers from seed. Yeah, right. But after that, I'm done. I'm just gonna grow cacti and aloe vera, succulents. I'm tired of trying anything I grow herbs wise. I'm just going to try to grow in that little greenhouse indoors, and if that doesn't work, I'm out. I'm just going to buy fake plants. So this is normally that monsoon weather. But I thought it also came with winds, and it's not windy at the moment. It was windy earlier with no rain. Either way, this is great. You know why? Because look at my grass. It really needs a good watering. Okay, this little doggy baby pool is filling up now.
It looks really gross.
It does look really gross. I'm just going to dump it into the spots over here in the grass. Chalice sometimes comes outside with us. Well, she's actually not freaking out. I thought she wouldn't like it out here.
It's so hot though.
It is kind of humid out here, not going to lie. It was just dry and hot. Now it's humid and hot. And there's Jovi. Jovi doesn't like to play out in the water. He just likes to sit in the baby pool. What do you think, Chalice? Alright, it's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Starting to die out here. That's the remnants from our rooftop here. Now look how much water is in here. That's a lot. So I definitely want to utilize this water for the grass. Indoor plants. But no wind and no lightning or thunder. Just ominous clouds and some rain today.